Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Canva designs. So if you accidentally delete your Canva design, you don't need to be panicked because this is the secret of Canva Pro feature that can help you bring it back in just a few clicks. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how we can recover deleted Canva designs using the trash features in Canva Pro. No stress, no hacks, just the built-in features you probably missed. So first, you can just go to your Canva homepage. On the left menu, you'll find the trash options in here. So click on trash because Canva keeps deleted items for 30 days before permanently removing them. So after that, you can just restore your design. You can click on the three dots on the top of the design and then tap on restore. And just like that, it's back in all your design folders. So when you go back to home, you'll find the designs that you just restored in here. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can recover deleted Canva designs using the trash features. Super quick and easy. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.